everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
You may have noticed over the past week or so that we haven't posted any new videos. And we thoroughly enjoy sharing these videos with you guys. And we're just shocked at how many people watch our videos. Thousands of people watch these things, and
we're very appreciative.
We are very appreciative. So we wanted to give you a little update what's going on behind the scenes in our personal lives that has us a little bit delayed. Myself, well, both of us, we live here in the Villages full-time, but I'm still working full-time, and my job requires travel, especially during the summertime. So I've only been home in the past few weeks 2 days a week at most, really under 48 hours. So it's been a really hectic schedule for me.
And I'm a retired school teacher after 30 years, but I have gone right into a full-time caregiver role. My mom, 92 years old, moved in with us when we moved to Florida, and so I spend 24/7 taking care of her with mobility issues and specialists and doctors, and we're keeping her going, and so that's tying me up right now.
Yeah. So as a result of our busy schedules right now, we have fallen behind in our filming, and more importantly, our editing. That's what really takes the most time. But don't worry, we're going to be back in a week or two with some more content. I just wanted you to be aware of what's going on and why there's a little bit of delay that's happening. We had talked about maybe putting some quick videos together just to get something up there every week or so, but we didn't want to rush something that wasn't quality. We want to take the time and do it right so that we can continue putting up quality videos and improving on the things that we've already been doing.
We learn a lot.
Yeah.
So this is just a pause, a small break, and we'll be back.
Yep, see you in a couple of weeks. And before we take our break, I did add some video that I had done at Lake Sumter, a flyover with some really nice scenes there. So we'll go ahead and put that up with some music if you want to see that and get your Villages fix for now. And we'll see you in a couple more weeks.
See you soon.